Welcome to Chef Bimal Kitchen. Today we are making crispy golden fish fingers that are crunchy on the outside, tender and flaky on the inside. They are easy to make and perfect for the whole family. Let's get started. First of all, I have taken 5 pieces of basa filet finger. I am going to season with salt and 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Now I am going to add half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of mustard powder, half teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and I am going to mix it well. Now I am going to refrigerate for 2 hours. Now I have taken 1 cup of flour and I am going to spread it. Now I am going to coat fish finger into it. And I am going to coat it all around. So now it is ready. Now I have taken 2 eggs and I am going to break it. Now I am going to mix it well. Now I have taken panko breadcrumb. So I have taken 1 cup. So first of all, I am going to dip fish into beaten egg and I am going to drain excess egg and I am going to coat in breadcrumb. So now I am going to coat it around evenly. So I am using hand and I am pressing it very gently. Now I am going to roll it gently on chopping board so that we will get nice shape. So now you can see it is ready now. Now I am going to deep fry it at 350 degree Fahrenheit. And I want to make it golden brown in color. So it is perfect golden brown in color. I am going to drain excess oil. Now I have taken French fries and I am going to deep fry at 350 Fahrenheit until golden brown in color. Now I'm going to drain excess oil. Now I'm going to season it with salt and some crushed black pepper, and finally I'm going to toss it well. So everything is ready. Now I'm going to arrange it on platter. So first of all I am arranging French fries, then tartar sauce, and I'm going to arrange fried fish finger, which goes with lemon wedges and parsley sprig. So it is ready now. I hope you enjoy these crispy homemade fish finger. If you found this recipe helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Chef Bimal Kitchen. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.